Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a Gmail account on an Android device. Before you begin, please ensure you have backed up any essential data associated with this account. Remember, deleting a Google account is a permanent action that will remove your emails, photos, contacts, and other data across all connected Google services. This step ensures you retain important information before proceeding. To begin, unlock your Android device and open the Settings application from your app drawer or notification shade. Next, scroll through the Settings menu until you find the Accounts or Passwords and Accounts option, and then tap on it. From there, select Google to display a list of every Google account currently signed in on your device. Now, carefully select the specific Google account that you intend to permanently remove. Once you have chosen the correct account, look for the Remove Account or Delete Account option, which is usually found at the bottom or top right corner of the screen. You will then see one or two confirmation prompts. Tap Remove Account again to proceed with the deletion. After completing these steps, your Google account and all its associated data will be permanently scheduled for deletion. While there might be a recovery window, often around 28 days, during which you could potentially restore it, it's best to consider this a final action. Access to services like Gmail, YouTube, and Google Drive will stop immediately, so be certain of your decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.